Hey everybody, it's Ron at LaRusso Gardens. Just going to give you a quick little video of the garden window I put in my kitchen. It's got two different levels. It's got special glass that lets all the UV rays in. And I use this during the winter to have all my organic vegetables that I eat, so I don't have to purchase them from the store because they can be so damn expensive. I'm pretty satisfied with it. I bought these two hydroponic kits from Tractor Supply. Originally they were $60 a piece, or 60 plus, and I got them on the end of season sale for $15 each, so I couldn't turn it down. So the fertilizer I used this time, I won't be using again because it smells like fish, and this is in my kitchen. I'll use the rest of this outdoors this season. But normally during the winter I had this thing packed with all different types of vegetables, but spring is upon us, so no need for that anymore. It's pretty good. You can start seeds and everything in it if you needed to. But like I said, I just figured I'd give a quick little video of it. Give some people some ideas of what you can do right in your kitchen. Have a good night. Thank you.